Gidang dep ya kendo yau DGP jong kam Meghalaya ka jangan bagi nato kubor haba ulah Pynshai ya ka jinja ka pelajar menem step hiung ba series. Nah kalian DGP ulah penting kena ba kajing siat ya bu kadai namar ba dalam ya ki Sakhi ki Pynshai ha ba udon ki ha ka dia ba kajing kum thai bom idea lain kra ba kum juru clearian. Ndai ke ai ka ba DGP semlai thu sha dan na batai ba kalong nadu menu ki pulit kelayo jingtip ba series ubala trong thái nọ có bầu lỏng là gần cả sang Israel phải sang aja khát phá udah dan ketibiang pakai channel si dan dia udah keti hak abadi pakai jim thibam ka baar pak kalong mana kalian tu DP nak Pynshai mak penuh bagi pulit ki balai dekat kenhun ki haban penekam dak sulai dan dekat pistol bersiat dia habu bak cheris ubat tang dak Tari kalian DP nak Pynshai bahaya kan ni isi kadi-kadi ka baka nak kalian di poster ka nak ban page nomor ba ki pai mak kita ka menyo ya ke jingsiat ka babiang baka kenhun jemti bulit kan thop USB bu dia ka kili sinju hakapor dang sau ka teng ap kim la ban kim yum yu ni ka ban penkam dak seloi ya ubriu ubudan tang dak Tari bar kumjuru kembala kam li bahi yang ubriu ubudan pen jaga jingpang.
You're aware that the recent bomb blast at Limukla on the 10th August, which the HNLC claimed, and also the 14 July blast at Clariot, which was witnessed in a police reserve. During the investigation of these two cases, we found incontrovertible evidence. I emphasize incontrovertible evidence of the involvement of Shri Cheristerfield Tang, especially in the Clariot bomb blast case, and we also found his involvement and links to the Shillong blast case. This was the background on which our teams, yesterday night, one team from led by the SP East Jylla Hills and one team under the SP Traffic was looking after the law and order also. They searched with a view to search his house and to arrest him, take him into custody. When they entered his house, there was resistance from his side. In the melee, he tried to stab one of the constables. Purely exerting the right of private defense, one round was fired. Cheristerfield Tang was injured in the abdomen. Unfortunately, he succumbed to his injuries when he was taken to the civil hospital.
Nak kalian GP boleh tu ba kena pelong kajung tukit halau kan ni ban wat susu ya ki kam pentrim juga HNLC hak bau laong ba ki dang dan kema khandrungot Bangladesh sebab kema bat kema lai khungot gidan ki tak overground ki betri haki bentak ba fair juga jalan Meghalaya hak juga poru laong ba ka sang HNLC kadang trikam hak bakala ya kita ki dimanut nak kijing dua pisah ki babun ki aspa kemudian kan jela bat nak kalian ni ki aspa ru ki atilang ki pelit ban wat ya ki beri keberhentian ka jengja.
Our teams have seized a firearm, that knife, and incriminating documents from the place of occurrence. Our investigation is going on. A case has been taken up under Maulai PS. There is details of 39(8)(21) under section 353/506/307 IPC. His sons have been picked up. There is a small correction in the press release. It has been written they've been arrested. They have not been arrested. They've been taken for verification. Because we have to ascertain their role also.
Kau ipat kau di cium orang baka kulit kita simkia apa? Ya kajeng penggam juga channel si, ya kajeng kat pasang juga channel si. Kami nampak kau dia baka kajeng rakyat, ya kasi lu, ya kasi dia apa? Kim nak mat insting, mat simkia mat perkan, ya kajeng para hak kau dia bat mereka pun.
The raids, search operations are done after a lot of work, and these things are not done in whims and fancies. Of course, there was an urgency because in the wake of the blast, which had taken place on the 10th, and also the threat looming large in the run-up to the 15th August celebrations in the state, it was necessary for us to expedite. Regarding the timing and all, that's how the men and the responsible officers on the ground decide.